Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting 2 videos ready. Open the second in a new tab or in the YouTube app's queue. Once done, pause both at your intended start points so syncing is easier. You want obvious visual cues, frames, or timestamps to align later. Make sure autoplay is off and your browser permissions allow picture-in-picture if needed. This avoids playback conflicts. Now move to the next tab with the second video and get both windows visible side by side for the core steps ahead. Now set up the actual split view. Activate picture-in-picture on one video and place the other in the main window, or snap 2 browser windows so frames line up. You want visual symmetry, so resize and nudge until both subjects occupy the frame evenly. Once aligned, play briefly and check sync. If audio clashes, mute one source and rely on the primary track. If you need a permanent combined file, export both into a simple editor and use a 2-up timeline to lock positions and transitions. Finish by recording your split-screen session or exporting from your editor. Pick 30 or 60 frames per second for smooth motion. Once exported, upload to YouTube, add a descriptive title, and include timestamps for each side's key moments so viewers can jump. If during playback you notice sync drift, use the editor's marker tool to identify a frame match, then shift one track by a few frames. Make sure to re-render a short test clip before final upload. That fix solves most alignment problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.